Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on IT.tutorials. I am Josef Bodnar and I'm continuing the series of Java tutorials here on IT.tutorials. This Java tutorial has the goal to talk about string type. I'm going to make a very short presentation about this string type because I'm going to make a few applications after these tutorials using the knowledge done so far, and I need to make a tutorial regard to this string type because I'm going to use the string in these applications. It's good for you to have a few knowledge about string. I'm going to make more tutorials about string in the future because regard to string we have to talk and to do more tutorials than one simple tutorial in my opinion. So you have to know that string is handled by a string class which is part of Java API. This Java API stands for Application Programming Interface, which is a list of all classes that are part of the Java development kit. It is about JDK. I done a few tutorials related to this JDK, which is absolutely required in order to make a Java application. Also, you have to know the string type is a reference type, is part of class variables, which all are reference type. That means the string will hold the address of the object used to assign a string and not the data as the primitive type does. That means if you change the value of the string during your Java coding, the object or value used to assign a string will be definitely removed by a garbage collector because the string is holding the address. Alright, so in order to declare a string you have to use this keyword string, and after the name of the string, if you want to initialize here where you are declaring your string, you can do it here using this assignment operator, and I'm gonna to use the name of my channel, IT Tutorials. Yeah, alright, and semicolon. As you can see, actually the string is a sequence of characters surrounded by double quotes. You can't use the single quotes. If you do so, you will receive errors, as you can see. Yeah, the single quotes are used for character type, which is a primitive type. Yeah, I have done tutorials regard to character type, and you can use just a single character to assign or initialize a character type, while the string is using a sequence of characters and inside of or surrounded by these double quotes. Alright, let's use this system dot out print line to print out in console this name string variable. Yeah, so let's run this application. Alright, I should add here n. Let's run this again. Okay, here you go. Here is the result printed out in console IT.tutorials, which is the object used to initialize this string name. Yeah, you should know that we can use the plus operator to concatenate strings. If I declare here another string like greeting, I'm going to use this name for this string, and let's write here hello, the object used to initialize this string greeting. Yeah, okay, semicolon. Alright, and now here I can write this new string variable greeting, and I'm going to use the plus operator to concatenate these two strings, greeting and name. Alright, let's run this application. Here you go. Hello IT Tutorials. Here I've got a problem because there is no space between hello and IT tutorials, but this can be sorted out very easy. I go here to the end of this string and I add a space using the space key. Let's run now again this application, and here you go. Now the space was inserted here between hello and IT tutorials. Alright, also you can use the string literal. I'm going to use again this plus operator, and I'm going to use this exclamation sign here, yeah, as string literal. Why this is a string literal? It is a string literal because it's used independently here in this parentheses, in this concatenation operation of these two strings, and will be added this exclamation sign, and it is not used to assign or to initialize a variable. It is used independently. Yeah, so let's run this, and here you go, hello IT tutorials, and here is this exclamation sign, which is used as a string literal here independently in this concatenation operation here inside this print line method. Yeah, so you can use a string literal to concatenate with string variables also. Yeah, also you can use another method here if you want to add a space, like using again this greeting string variable. Yeah, and you can concatenate in this way using the plus operator, the assignment operator. Now this together is a compound assignment operator, and here I'm gonna to use these double quotes and the space. Yeah, let's run this up, and as you can see, we receive the same result. We have here the space between hello and IT tutorials, but in this time I use this variable again, and this way to concatenate this space, which actually is a string in this example. Alright, also I can remove using the comments these string variables. Yeah, and here I'm going to remove the string name variable, and also I can use just a single string variable, this greeting, and again I'm going to concatenate this sequence of characters, this text IT tutorials. Yeah, alright, semicolon. Let's run again this application, and as you can see I received the same result, hello IT tutorials. Yeah, using this way to concatenate these strings. Actually this space was added to the end of this string hello, and after IT tutorials was added to the end of this space. In this way this concatenation was done by a Java compiler. As you can see now I'm using just a single string variable, this greeting, and further I use this plus operator together with the assignment operator to concatenate all these strings, the space, and after this IT tutorials text. Also I can remove this concatenation here, this string literal, I mean this exclamation sign. Yeah, and I can add it here, and the result will be the same. Yeah, alright. Oh, here you go, the result is the same. Okay, that's all for today. That was a very short presentation of string type. This is a class variable, so it is a reference type. The string will hold the address of its object. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. See you next time. Bye bye.